Welcome to this video on how to make passive income using AI. Passive income is money earned without actively managing every aspect of your income stream. By leveraging AI-powered tools and platforms, you can create income streams that require little to no effort on your part. In this video, we'll show you how to get started. Examples. There are many ways to make passive income using AI. Here are 3 examples. Number 1. Chatbot consulting. If you have expertise in a certain area, you can create a chatbot that provides advice or support to customers. By using AI to automate the chatbot's responses, you can generate passive income while helping others. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. With AI-powered affiliate marketing platforms, you can promote products and services to your audience without actively managing the sales process. The AI algorithms will optimize the marketing campaigns, and you'll earn commissions on any sales generated through your unique affiliate link. Number 3. Robo-advisory. With robo-advisory platforms, you can invest in stocks, bonds, and other assets without actively managing the investments. The AI algorithms will analyze the markets and make investment decisions on your behalf. Getting started. To get started with making passive income using AI, follow these steps. Step 1. Identify your skills and knowledge. What are you good at? What do you have expertise in? Choose an area where you can add value to others. Step 2. Find AI tools and platforms that align with your skills. Research the various AI-powered tools and platforms that can help you generate passive income in your chosen area. Step 3. Create a passive income plan. Once you've identified the tools and platforms that align with your skills, create a plan for generating passive income. Set goals, track your progress, and adjust your strategy as needed. Conclusion. By leveraging AI-powered tools and platforms, you can create income streams that require little to no effort on your part. Start generating passive income using AI and enjoy the benefits of earning money while you sleep. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.